Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you a common issue in Infinix mobile phones, the charging problem. This device was not charging properly and was completely dead in terms of charging response. After testing, I found that the problem was related to the power IC section. So I carefully removed the power IC from the motherboard. After removing the IC, I will connect the two points inside the IC with the help of jumper wire. This problem occurs in Spectrum UMP510G power IC. If this problem occurs and you see power IC is UMP510G, then you don't have to do anything. You have to remove the power IC from the board and short these 2 points and connect the power IC again like this. Your problem will be solved. I'm putting cutting mask on this jumper wire to make it stronger. Now I will dry it with the help of UV light. I reinstalled the power IC back to the board. Now let us test the device. This type of problem is very common in devices and with proper skills it can be repaired easily. As you can see, the phone is now charging perfectly and the issue has been successfully resolved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more mobile repairing videos. Thanks for watching.